All right, in this lecture, let's talk about importing our modules, and let's start by talking about how I laid the course out. So on certain cells, I have steps. Step 1, step 2. All right, these are where we're going to start. Now, that seems like common sense, but I just thought I would mention it. And under the steps is textual information about the step. So that is going to be about that step. And it's just information you may need when we run our cells. So in this step, we're just going to import our modules. All right. So remember, let's talk about Python. All right, here's Python, and that's the core language. So all these things that come out from Python are libraries. Okay, and we can import these libraries like NumPy, like Keras, like scikit-learn into Python, right? The library comes in to the language, so we can use the stuff that's in the library inside of Python. It extends the functionality of Python, right? So in order to do that, it's really quite simple. We can import the entire library if we want, and that's how we do that. Import NumPy. This means we're bringing in the entire NumPy library into our workspace. Right? That's not really the Pythonic way, so let's look at a more focused way of doing that. So up here we have this from. From what? From Keras. Keras is the library. Right? Well, from Keras to what? Bring in, I want the models, and in the layers and the models, I want you to import sequential, right, and dense. And we're going to use these to build a model. So import equals bring in. And when you use import and just the library, then you're bringing the entire library in. When you use from at the beginning, you're bringing in a module from the core library, right? Here's the core lib, the library, and we're bringing in a module. Import, import something, right? Some part of that library. So it's really straightforward and really great that no matter what we're using, whether we're using Keras or scikit-learn or NumPy, the approach to bringing in modules or bringing in libraries is identical. And that's just one of the features that makes this language, the big Python, so powerful.